Welcome to EEP Machine and Bow, your partner with competence and experience in mechanical engineering. We are pleased to introduce you the following machine. Low temperature deflashing machine E20. This computer-controlled machine offers high-efficiency deflashing of rubber and plastic parts as well as zinc die casts, and is suitable for molded articles from 3 to 150 mm. With its small footprint, this machine can be integrated into the production line easily, and therefore avoids temporary storage or transports and corresponding time loss and costs. The E20 is, like any of our machines, designed for high performance and low consumption of nitrogen, blasting media and electric energy. The machine is manufactured in stainless steel. All motors and gears are located outside the freezing area. The comfortable operator features on latest level leave no wish unfulfilled. Depending on customers' requirements, this machine can be equipped with a quick exchange basket system optionally. Highlights at a glance. Fast processing times, 4 to 6 minutes at 20 liters drum volume. Network compatible, technical support via internet connection possible. Recipes memory and fast and easy loading of your individual settings. Clear and comfortable touchscreen operation with barcode scanner, USB and SSD hard disk. User administration, you determine authorization and user restriction. Fast and easy user login by password, barcode scan, for example an ID card or optional ID key possible. Logging documentation of all parameters and users, exportable via LAN USB, Microsoft Excel compatible data. All motors and gears are located outside the freezing area. The working level peak is below 80 dBA. Machine optional available with quick exchange basket system. The operation of the machine. The clearly laid out touchscreen allows direct access to all parameters to control the machine. In the user main menu, the operator has all important setting values at one view. By using the touchscreen, parameters like pre-cooling time, jet blasting time, cooling temperature, RPM shot wheel, RPM drum, and separating time, can be adjusted fast and comfortable. Here you can change also to further modes like service mode, standby mode or end program. Furthermore, all your individual settings can be saved as a recipe easily. All your personal parameter settings can be saved, loaded or deleted. It is also possible to recall article settings with a barcode scanner for further treatment or management. The export-import of all recipes to any other E20 E30 deflashing machines of the same generation is a nice and time-saving feature. Furthermore, you can determine user access by password request, or optionally, with ID key or barcode scan like an ID card. In the service mode, you can choose the operator language and load documentation and statistics. Here you can control also shot wheel, screw conveyor, vibrating sieve, and processing drum in the service manual mode. The standby mode allows the setting of the temperature, which is to be upheld by the deflashing machine during longer breaks and interruptions to ensure a quick proceeding for the next processing batch. technical data. Dimensions: 1700 mm depth, 1650 width and 2100 mm height. Drum volume: 20 liters. Weight: 800 kilograms. Material: stainless steel. Drum speed: 3 to 20 rpm. Cooling agent: liquid nitrogen. Short wheel speed: 1000 to 10,000 rpm. Connection: 400 volt, 50 Hz, 16 ampere and 6 bar air pressure. Drum diameter: 300 mm. Drum depth: 400 mm. Treatable part dimensions: from 3 to 150 mm. This deflashing machine is designed for smaller demands and offers optimal deflashing results at lower charge volumes.